1.10.
Abhava pratyaya lambana vrittir Nidra. Abhava pratyaya lambana vrittir Nidra.
Sleep, Nidra, is a state of mind marked by an absence of conscious thought. Sleep is the fourth vritti of the mind. Although external sensory perception is absent during sleep, Nidra, the mind remains in an active state with internal mental processes like dreams, memories, and subconscious thoughts. Even fast asleep, thoughts arise and pass, creating subtle waves in our consciousness. Yoga Nidra is a guided meditation technique that induces a state of deep relaxation, often referred to as wakeful sleep. This practice reduces anxiety, facilitates a deeper level of creativity and clarity, and promotes conscious relaxation to alleviate insomnia. During Yoga Nidra practice, you are guided through a series of body scans, breath awareness, and visualizations which help release physical and mental tension. Find a cozy, reclined position and make yourself comfortable. Direct your attention to your toes and gradually move your awareness to each body part. Focus briefly on each area and imagine swirling, vibrating energy. Feel the release deep down to the bones of your body. Bring your healing breath to any areas of tension. Then feel your entire body being breathed, letting go of worries as the ebb and flow of the tide of your breath washes over you.